Part 1. Introducing building element. The horizontal coverings separating the stories are called floors. The ceiling has a structural part to bear the loads and transfer them to the beams. The upper and lower surfaces of the structural part are covered using appropriate layers to provide functions such as moisture insulation, smoothness and levelness, beauty, etc. The layers that make up the ceiling on the floors from above include floor covering, structural part of the floor and ceiling cover. Part 2. Implementing details. The concrete floor, which can be a one-sided or two-sided slab depending on the size of the span, consists of horizontal and vertical bars at the top and bottom along with concrete with a strength determined at the design stage. The thickness of the structural part of the floor varies based on the span and the loads. For leveling the floor surface, lightweight concrete with a cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter or pumice is used.
The thickness of the leveling part is at least 5 centimeters. The next layer is moisture insulation, which is applied between two layers of cement and sand mortar. The moisture insulation layer can be prefabricated moisture insulation. The sand in the cement sand mortar must be fine so as not to damage the moisture insulation. The total of 2 layers of cement sand mortar, in addition to smoothing the surface, is a protection for the moisture insulation. The thickness of the moisture layer and mortar is at least 4.5 centimeters. The next layer of cement sand mortar with a minimum cement content of 200 kilograms per cubic meter has a minimum thickness of 2.5 centimeters, and cement terrazzo tiles with a thickness of at least 2 centimeters is applied on the mortar. Cement grout is applied between the joints of the cement terrazzo tiles. One of the common coatings for the floor of the ceilings, like interior walls, is clay and gypsum mortar, and gypsum lining plaster and finishing plaster.
Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.